This is the viral hot honey chicken sandwich everyone is craving. Start with a fresh chicken breast. Slice it evenly for perfect frying. Generously on both sides.
Coated in flour.
Dip into egg wash. Then coat with breadcrumbs for extra crunch. Fry in hot oil until golden. Cook until crispy and perfectly golden.
Let it rest for maximum crunch.
Now for the hot honey. Mix honey with chili flakes and hot sauce. Stir until fully combined. Toast your buns with butter. Spread a layer of mayo.
Add lettuce and pickles.
Place the crispy chicken on top.
Drizzle that sweet and spicy hot honey.
Close the sandwich. Look at that crunch. And yes, it's worth the hype. Follow for more viral recipes.